How to allow camera and microphone access on your Facebook Messenger. Hey everybody, I hope everyone is doing good. Today in this video, we are going to teach you how we can allow the Facebook Messenger audio, the microphone and camera access. So if you're also having trouble with your microphone and camera access while you're trying to call someone using a Facebook Messenger, these are the process you may follow up, and you should also be able to give access to your microphone and your camera in your Facebook Messenger. So let's just get started. For that, you can look up for the three dot at the top right corner of your Chrome browser. After that, head over to your settings. Once your settings opens up, on the left side of the screen, you can go and locate up privacy and security. And under here, you'll be finding different options, different settings available. So we're going to locate this option called site settings, which is on the 5th. Just go and locate it. And once you're here, you'll be finding different options available. So scroll down under permissions and you'll be finding camera and microphone settings available here. Go ahead and click on camera first and make sure you've allowed this first option that says site can allow, ask to use a camera. Make sure you have turned this on. And after that, under this not allowed section, make sure the messenger is not under here, because that may be the reason why you're not able to access your camera or microphone. After that is done, head over to microphone and follow the same settings. Click on this very first option, sites can access. And the next thing is make sure that messenger is not under this not allowed section again. And after that is done, save up the changes. Head over to your messenger and try calling or using up your camera or microphone in your messenger. And that is it. And you should be able to find that working. So that is it for now. Follow up the steps in order to give the access of messenger, microphone and camera. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.